The 2024 Skoda Kodiaq has officially landed after a painstakingly long teaser campaign. Long overdue, a plug-in hybrid powertrain is finally available as part of a wider array of updates prepared for the second generation. Starting on the outside, Skoda has stretched the Kodiaq by 2.4 inches, 61 mm, to achieve an overall length of 187.3 in, 4,758 mm, while keeping the wheelbase intact at 116.9 in, 2,971 mm. Rather unusual for a new generation vehicle, width has decreased by 0.7 in, 18 mm, to 73.3 in, 1864 mm, while height is down by 0.6 in, 17 mm, compared to the model it replaces, now at 65.3 in, 1659 mm. The Czech midsize SUV is available with a wide array of alloy wheels in sizes from 17 to 20 inches, along with 9 colors, including a new shade called Bronx Gold Metallic. Sitting at the top of the range, the Sportline trim has a generous array of black accents, including completely dark D-pillars for the first time. The roof rails, window frames, side mirror caps, front grille surround, rear diffuser, and badges all come in black. Go for the flagship variant and Skoda will fit Sportline badges on the front fenders along with exclusive 19-inch wheels with a glossy anthracite finish or an optional 20-inch set with aero covers. The new Kodiaq adopts an evolutionary design spruced up with a rear light bar because apparently, all cars must have one in 2023, including its sister model from Wolfsburg. Speaking of lighting, Skoda is installing its second-generation Matrix LED tech for the headlights, which now have 50% more light elements and deliver 15% more light output. These smarter headlights are standard on the Sportline and can be accompanied by a horizontal light bar across the grille. Stepping inside, the changes are immediately noticeable. We're not just talking about the big display because there are additional modifications. For starters, the gear selector now sits on the steering column to create more space between the front seats. There's less switchgear than before since Skoda has installed smart dials on the center console. These take the shape of 1.25-inch displays built into 3 rotary knobs a la Audi TT. Motivation is provided by an array of combustion engines, starting with a 1.5 TSI gasoline unit benefiting from mild hybrid technology. It runs on the Miller cycle and benefits from a variable geometry turbocharger. The engine produces 148 horsepower, 110 kilowatts, and has an evolution of the VW Group's active cylinder technology to shut off cylinders and save fuel when the extra power is not needed.